Metro Manila has to make do with limited water supply because of the strong El Nino. Consumers are suffering from service interruptions and low pressure just to preserve water in Angat Dam. But it's not just Metro Manila that needs water. The National Irrigation Administration also wants its share from the reservoir to sustain farming in Bulacan and Pampanga. The agency is seeking allocation for the two provinces from October to December to save crops amounting to over 1.5 billion pesos. Metro Manila's water concessionaires, though, are opposing this. Based on water protocol, domestic use is priority when supply is low.
We would like to, of course, stand our ground na ito dapat yung magiging allocation for municipal use and hindi naman natin gustong ikompromiso yung tinatamasa na ngayon ng level of service.
If regulators release water for irrigation, concessionaires say there will be less supply for consumers.
Posible pong mas mabilis yung pagbaba ng level ng Angat kung mas marami po yung i-withdraw natin mula doon sa Angat Dam.
Nia says farmers stand to lose when their irrigation needs are not met.
There is a cycle. May mga planting season tayo kasi. It so happen na kung nasa nakapagtanim na, there's still a point na ang mga farmers kawawa rin sila na masasayang itong malaking naitanim nila.
For now, regulators are still weighing options because of the depleting level in Angat Dam. Other measures include cloud seeding just to meet the needs of farmers. Christine de Guzman, CNN Philippines.